Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add checkbox in Microsoft Excel. So let's have a look now. Start by opening your Excel workbook where you want to add a checkbox. To add a checkbox, you will need to access the Developer tab. In the Developer tab, click on Insert button. This is where you will find the checkbox control. Find and click on the checkbox control in the From Control section. Click and drag on your sheet to draw the checkbox. The size of the checkbox will depend on how you draw it. Right-click on the checkbox to access formatting options. You can change the label, text, formatting and more to suit your needs. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.